base attachment. There are also other correction from these parts na just check it na lang. So, some of their grammar and formatting, which are chapter 1 and chapter 2. Then, so construction of the flow of discussion for chapter 3 kailangan din ayusin. I will just put my corrections here. Actually, iba binasa ko pala. So this is table 1. Then, yun nga. So, if you are, yun nga sabi ko kanina, if you are focusing on place attachment, so, yung yung questionnaire should, sabi, nakalagay kasi sa title yung also the experience. So, the indicators na nandito sa inyong questionnaire should be stating about place attachment. That should be stated here. Ano pa nag-gets nyo naman mo? Tapos papadagdag ako ng indicators dito. Gagawin 10 indicators na yung experience nila yung sinasabi. So, let's hear the comments, suggestions, and recommendations of Professor Moniz.
Thank you, presenters. Can we modify po the statement of the problem?
Sige po. Sige ma'am.
So sa akin po, first is the demographic profile. Okay naman na yung sa akin sa age, sex, educational attainment, occupation, and frequency of visit. Kaso lang hahanap kayo ng literature na talagang swak dito sa mga to. Na halimbawa sa occupation, mostly halimbawa academe talagang nag-visit na po. Meron bang literature na gano'n? Para kasi hindi na kayo mahirapan sa chapter 4 and 5. Tapos po, second statement of the problem, what is the level of place attachment among customers of coffee shops in the Senate City in terms of emotional attachment, functional attachment, social attachment. Kasi when we say emotional attachment, it is dun sa feelings ba natin, dun sa place. Tapos sa functional, ano ba yung nabe-benefit natin dun sa mismong coffee shop, bakit tayo nagpapatuloy pumupunta doon. And yung social, of course, our sense of belongingness. Kaya tayo pumupunta doon. Kaya tayo na-attach dun sa coffee shop. Okay? Third one is, what is the level of customer experience in coffee shop in Lucena City in terms of so syempre na-mention nyo kasi dito yung coffee shop experience of customers. So, nandito yung satisfaction. Dapat kasi satisfied si customer. Kaya siya na-attach dun sa coffee shop. Tapos yung loyalty. Kaya siya, di ba, paulit-ulit pumupunta doon kasi yung engagement na doon. And of course, yung revisit intention. Bakit ba siya nagpapaulit-ulit pumunta doon? Anong purpose? Anong will? And then, para mas mabigat or may weight yung study, is there significant, yung pang number 4, is there a significant relationship between place attachment and customers' coffee shop experiences? May relationship kaya? May relationship ba? And then for the fifth SOP, based on the findings of the study, what program or ano ba yun? Pwede po kayo yun. Yun lang naman po.
So may pinabago po kayo dun sa sa variables. Sa variables system. Mas expert naman siya.
Kaso.
Kasi psychological kasi yung
Kaso attachment, parang ang akin ay emotional, sense of belonging, parang hindi na po ako focus sa iba kasi na-edit yun eh. Pero yung sa chapter 2 kasi, tsaka sa question hindi siya.
Dr. Jones, can you summary what she has just mentioned?
Ano?
Kasi I was so busy eating.
Pabasa nga. Parang binabago po ni since they are
Pwede po
focusing
ba
on face
para,
attachment, so pinabago po ni Professor Rojas yung variables. Since they have 3 variables here for face attachment, such as person, place, and process. Kasi it's more on psychological side naman yung study. So, according to Professor Rojas, so there are emotional
Attachment.
attachment. Number 2 po.
Demographic.
Yung demographic, okay daw po yun. But the number 2, emotional, functional, and social. Social. Yun po yung pinapagamit ni Professor Rojas.
Ulit, ano yung isa?
Emotional, functional, and social.
So, itong mawawala itong
Ang
Mawawala po
po sa-
yung 3 Ps nila.
Mm.
Ano yung sabi ng concept? Okay. Kasi, sige, we'll try to mitigate. Sige, before I go back to what Ma'am has mentioned earlier, I have just few clarifications. First, so you have to make it clear so that we can compromise with the statement of the problems. Now, going back to your title, the influence of place attachment on customers' coffee shop experience in Lucena City. When I was trying to digest the title and I went to your instrument, it seems that the indicators are not really aligned to come up with the influence. So, I'll give you one example. Kasi sabi nyo, let's say, taking your conceptual framework like person, place, and process, as you have mentioned, that these are the components of place attachment. So it means these are the factors that make the customers attached to the coffee shop. Is that right? Is that what you mean? Okay. So these are the components, no, these are the factors somehow that they are attached to. Okay? So, titingnan ko na yung flow ng problem. The influence of place attachment to customers, coffee shops experience. Kasi that's another key. When I went to your instrument, when I was reading your yung form and style nyo, dapat split natin and lalagyan ng photo. Ang references and everything. Kita ko lang. You better check the format, okay? Ano naman yun? That can be edited, that can be, let's say yung where dapat hindi capital, dapat maliit, tas nandito. It's more of the form and style. But you can always go back with the paper. So, may instant. Okay, you have to align there. So, you talk about the first factor of the place attachment is a person. Okay, a person means what? As based on your definition of terms.
The person focuses on the demographics and personal characteristics of the customer himself.
So you're talking about me as a customer,
Yes.
right? A person there in the coffee shop.
The person there in the coffee.
These are the employees.
Customers.
Okay. You have to make clear, ha? Kasi na-attach ka doon sa... These are the factors that make you attached, okay? So, it's the place. Now, what's the ambient? I was just reading kanina your conceptual framework very closely. So, the play, I get attached to the place, okay? I get attached to the process, what they do. I get attached to the person. Now, who is the person? I get attached to the coffee shop because of a person. That's why I am asking who is the person.
The customer po, yung customer po na-attach dun sa place. Yung process po kasi is yung pag-retention po ng visit nyo.
The person.
So, Okay, we have to see your indicators kasi this coffee shop has served a social gathering place for me and my friends. So, ibig sabihin, as a human person, yung customers na yon, tama ba? Ay nagkakaroon ng, so, if it becomes a social gathering, tama ba? Kaya ka na-attach. So, you pertain to the person, the customers. Okay? I feel strong personal connection to this coffee shop. So, person pa rin as a customer. I feel happy and relaxed when I am in the coffee shop. So, tama yung indicators if you talk about the person of the customers. Now, going back to the title, the influence of place attachment on customers' coffee shop experience. So, what do you mean by that?
Bali sa pagkano po, sa every time na na-visit siya, parang mas lalong nag-deepen po yung bond. Kasi po pagka napunta ka sa place, parang mas natutuwa ka kasi familiar ka na dun po sa lugar.
Kasi when you talk about the influence, you're going to look for some factors, okay, that will make you attached to the place. Pero yung indicators mo, hindi. Yung indicators mo, these are now what I experience, diba? That makes me attached. Nagigget mo ba yun? Kasi ginamit mo yung influence. So, ang influence dapat, what makes me there? Why do I need to go there? Why I begin to like the place? Okay, pero ang sinasagot ng indicators mo, the coffee shop serves as a social gathering place for me and my friends. So, ibig sabihin, if the way you stated your indicator, it's not answering, what are the factors that makes me attached there? Nakukuha niyo?
Parang yung pinaka-point po kasi nga, attached na po siya talaga. So, i-determine po kung paano po mag-enhance.
Bakit siya na-attach?
Ang parang question po is, dahil na-attach po kayo, does it make your experience better?
Yes, and I feel happy when I am here. Diba? I feel strong personal connection to this coffee shop. Diba? So what makes you connected when you get there to the coffee shop? If the title is influence, so I think si ma'am is looking for something, let's say sabi niya may mga emotional attachment, so baka yun ang kailangan lumabas sa indicators. That's why I feel I have to be attached. The for me ma'am, walang problema sa akin doon sa sub-problem, but the indicators must be what she was mentioning kanina para lumabas. I think tama, di ba? Kasi kung tama naman kasi may basis for conceptual framework. Ito sinabi ni tatlong factors yan. Now, but the indicators should have something to do with what ma'am has mentioned earlier about the emotional attachment.
Yes po, functional, tsaka po social.
Social, that's it.
Kasi may mga, din naman kayo statements na.
So, ito ba, let's say, a person pertaining to a social, you have to define kasi and delimit your study. Let's say, when you talk about a person, you talk about social. Tama? So, dapat ang mga indicator, this coffee shop has served a social gathering place. That can be, kasi social, nagkakaroon ng social attachment. Okay? I feel strong personal connection to the coffee shop. Now, is it a social thing?
Personal.
Diba, nagiging person. I don't know, you're better at kung I feel happy and relaxed when I'm in the coffee shop. Is it a social, may social impact ba siya? Parang wala, diba? I experience positive emotion whenever I visit it. So you're talking about your person.
Emotional.
Oh, yeah, that's it. So, yun yung main point. The main point there, I would agree, pwede yung person, place the people. However, the indicators
Should be based on the...
whether it is social indicators na may social impact. Now, aalisin na rin natin yung word sa title na influence. Okay? Kasi nangyayari na siya. Okay? So we can do something about it. So that's the thing there. Doon sa place, ma'am, sabi natin sa person, we can have it social.
Okay.
So they can define it operationally. When they pertain to people, you mean social impact or social something. So more on social activities, something like that. When we talk about the place, it's the physical environment, tama? So under what, ma'am, yung physical environment, it's more on emotion ba yan? Or ano ba? Sa,
Functional po daw.
Functional.
Yung benefit na binibigay ng coffee shop.
oh, it's a functional.
Functional.
So it's more, the functional impact ba? Ano functional?
Functional attachment.
Attachment
Mismo.
from the physical environment. I think that's it, di ba? Nakukuha nyo? Kasi you can operate your words eh. And that is one way to delimit it. You're not talking to anything but the functional attachment from this physical. If you talk about the person, you're not talking about yourself, but you're talking about the social attachment from this coffee shop. And third is process. Ma'am, ano yung process?
Emotional po daw siguro. Emotional attachment.
The way you experience
Yes,
the
the way-
process. So, process is emotional. From the process, kung ano yung ginagawa nila doon, the activities, what makes me attach emotionally.
Yung po, pwede po ba po kasi ng familiarity, yung routine po.
I think you better read more literature about
Literature.
emotional attachment. Paano? Nai-in-love ka ba dyan? Yeah, I think you begin to fall in love with the process, how they do the activities.
The practice.
Sa
Diba?
service, sa service nila.
Pero pa satisfaction. with the
Satisfaction
process.
din.
You feel relaxed, that can be emotional, right? So some of the indicators under the person nyo dito can be transferred to emotional attachment. Kasi positive emotions. So from the process. Now, ididikit nyo ngayon yung process. Bakit ka nagiging emotionally attached? Ano yung nandun?
Sa question.
Ano yung activity sa coffee shop that makes you positively, emotionally positive? Like, nag-get nyo, i-relate nyo. Let's say, sa functional attachment with the physical environment, kung may mga nature dyan, parang gano'n, sasabihin nyo yun. Nakuha nyo?
Yes po.
Sasabihin nyo, ano yung nandun that makes you attached functionally? And sa person is social. What is there that nagkakaroon ka ng social attachment? Sasabihin mo lang ka, pwedeng coffee shop becomes a social gathering places where where people, ano ba, meet or mingle, something like that. That is social, na-attach ka socially because ang daming tao lagi doon. Parang gano'n. So you would have that. Did you get the point?
Yes po.
Mine is you just, the person, tama naman kasi nandun, sinabi naman author, I cannot argue with the author. Diba? So yung indicators, palalabasin, tama si Ma'am Don, palalabasin natin yung attachment sa indicators. Okay, that's one. Number two, yung title natin hindi pa tapos. So ang sasabihin natin dyan, yung attachment na ng customers. The attachment ng customers. Oo, the place
attachment.
Technical term yung place attachment, no? Technical term talaga siya. Okay. The place attachments of customers
Customers.
on something like that.
Coffee shops.
In Lucena City.
Oo, yun na mismo yun eh. Ano yung attachment niya?
Coffee shop. In Lucena City.
So yung experience hindi nila.
Hindi na. Oo, the place attachment
Of customers.
of customers on coffee shops. Something like that. Now, going back to your introduction must be very good explaining
attachment.
The place attachment. But before that, you tell something about the coffee shop. Meron ka dito, first paragraph. But you forgot to describe the coffee shops in Lucena City. Kasi generally, meron kang coffee shop something. The second paragraph, you describe them generally. Ano yung ano sila doon, nakikita mo? Parang pinipicture mo na, parang yung reader, ini-invite mo na, eto yung mga coffee shop na to eh. Ito yung characteristics niya. As to the place, o as to the environment, o kung ano nangyayari sa coffee shop, inuunahan mo siya, binibigyan mo reader ng advanced information kung ano yung merong coffee shop na related doon sa three components na yung person, the social, functional sa physical environment, and the last one. Okay. Then from there, describing the coffee shop, you would have an attachment. Diba? Diba? Doon yung flow ng discussion mo. Kasi yung coffee shop dinescribe mo, meron siyang linking words. No? With this kind of coffee shop and characteristics, practices, customers get attached. And then you expound attachment, place attachment. According to meron ang mga customer ay na-attach talaga. Because according to meron siyang tinatawag na place attachment. That's the segue. And then talk about place attachment. Then some theories can be under conceptual literature. Huwag mo nalagyan ng maraming theories dito. Okay? Kasi yung susunod ko sasabihin, instead ng mga theory, ang dami mong sinabi dito. Ano ngayon yung relevance ng place attachment to a coffee shop? Kayo magsasalita nun. Ano yung naibibigay niya? Kasi, bakit yung pinag-aaralan to? Dapat i-describe mo what is now the role of place attachment. After that would be your gap. Now, if these are the benefits or this is the importance. Ano ngayon ang gap? Meron na ba nag-aaral niyan dito?
Wala po.
Marami pa ba diba? Kailangan may pag-aaral niyan dito, di ba? So yun yung gap. Since wala siyang pag-aaral o hindi na natatakan yung place attachment, kailangan na isang study. Yun yung gap. Okay? And then, from the gap, your personal benefits as researchers, that will be your rationale. It can be as simple as that. Hindi kailangan napakahaba ng introduction. Kasi the more you talk about it, you can have a little description of Lucena City from when you describe coffee shops. Very lang, konti. Then, please review your conceptual framework. Your review of literature. Kasi yung review of literature nyo, parang mali yata yung groupings. Yung conceptual, you talk more of theories, you talk more of frameworks, concept, models. Pero ang nilalagay mo dito, conceptual literature, it was found that age is a significant factor. So it's not a conceptual, it's a research literature. So, can you go back to that? Lahat. Diba? Nakatingin mo lang kasi sila sa akin. Wala na emotion. Okay.
Wala na emotional attachment.
Oo, emotional attachment. Attached na sila sa akin. Then, can we have more of, and last, can we have more variables under demographics? Kasi, isip ko kasi, yung person dito, parang kailangan yung characteristics ng customers na mapasok. Diba? Parang nabasa ko sa definition na. It talks about the needs, the experience, diba? So, maybe, what you can do, ages, frequency of visits. So, dapat meron kang reasons or purpose of visiting coffee shop. Something like that. Kasi, dapat lumabas yun. Kasi magsisignificant difference kayo, di ba?
Okay.
Isasalpok mo yun eh. Kung doon sa kanyang ano ba yan? purpose of visit, napaka-importante. Kung may significant difference.
Kaano din po sa occupation.
Ulit.
Dun po sa purpose of visit, magre-reflect din po halos sa employment status po. Kasi, for example po, if sa corporate officer po kayo, then the purpose of visit is more on
No, they would just write. They would just say military. But the purpose of visit is not there. And it can be, if you're military, there is another purpose of visiting coffee shop, right? So you cannot just relate na, military to, so nandun sila para bumarel or para magtiktik, di ba? You cannot say that in research. They have to specifically say. So the purpose of visit is why are the reasons they are here. They are here. I don't know with the other panel kung meron pa kayong gustong dagdag. Kasi yung profiling is very important. Kaya yung income naman, huwag na yan. Ayaw nyo ng civil status, whether married or single, because we want to see now who are the people going to coffee shop. For sure, mas maraming single. I know, it's only my opinion. Hindi, kasi these people, di ba ma'am? Nakikita ko sa mga FB, kung sino yung single, sila yung nasa coffee shop.
Very to mingle ba?
Yeah. Did you get me? They're there to meet people.
Single status.
Yeah, the single status should be there. Married or single. So tingnan natin kung may significant difference yung married at saka single sa kanilang mga
Yung mataas
attachments.
ng ano.
Maganda yung study, di ba? Okay? So there are 7.
Parang pinagawa po ni ma'am ng output. Ano pong output?
Ano? Okay.
Or sa statement of the
Basis
problem.
for?
Hindi.
Basis for what?
Parang may pinilagay po kayo dun.
Actually, ito yung base na dun sa akin.
Parang implications yata.
Implications na lang. Sige. Number 4, based on the findings, what implications can be derived from the study? Okay na ba kayo? Alam niyo na yung tatakbo. Can you just submit to us for final round your question? The question.
Concept ano to? Statement of the problem and questionnaire.
Sa mga introduction.
Sige po. Introduction, of course, title page, introduction, statement of the problem, and questionnaire.
Yun yung i-present nyo next time. Hindi, pero yung iba, hindi ibig sabihin tama na ha. You just have to adjust there. Ito lang yung i-present. Gusto lang namin malinaw. Ngayon, papayagan na namin kayo mag-data gathering kasi it's too late. Go OJT kayo. Basta okay yung i-present nyo na
They will just pass the
instrument.
paper.
pass.
Papasa ang paper sa amin for approval, hard copy, para mapayagan na kayo ng data gathering.
Once your questionnaire is good enough, we will allow you. Even some parts are not edited yet. Para lang, makatakbo yung papel kasi it's too late na on your part. Okay. Pero titignan namin yung paper sa final na, di ba? Defense.
Final defense na i-represent na lahat.
Final defense.
Pero yung
Basta yung ayusin niyo na yung introduction, title, introduction, statement of the problem, and questionnaire. Tapos ipasa niyo na sa amin for the approval na makapag-gather na kayo ng data.
Mapasa na lang ba o mag-present?
Pasa na lang.
Mapasa na lang. Sige. Okay. Then you can proceed with data gathering kung tama na yung instrument.
yes.
Tapos,
Final defense.
final defense, edited na. I think I would like to mention that I think that you have to seek the approval of mom
Oo.
more than us. Okay.
Psychological.
No, it should be more than us. Okay? So, pwede ba pag in-approval dyan na i-edit nyo at saka namin titignan?
Okay po, we'll coordinate.
Yes, more on paper. Pwede ba mag-paper? Oo, kasi I think in the venture when it comes. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dong. Ayusin ko lang.
Tapos, pwede na kayo kumuha ng grade 4 research 1. Pwede mo mag-grade sa akin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tapos, paki-remind na lang sa akin yung 3 letters na kailangan nyo. Permission to undertake the study. Informat naman ako mo. Tapos, paasikaso mo na lang sa mga naiwan dito.
Papa, meron naman po.
Permission to undertake the study, letter to the respondents, at saka validation letter.
Ano? May format ko sa
May
inyo.
format ako.
Validation po yung...
letter. Validation letter, maghanap ka ng 2 faculty members. Eh baka meron kayong isasuggest for validator kasi ano to eh, psychological eh.
Yung mga RTM po natin sa guidance.
Sa guidance.
Sige,
sa guidance po.
Tanong mo kay ma'am yung mga names nila. Hindi
Yes,
ko
po.
kasi kilala.
Tsaka kay Ma'am Brooks din.
Ah, pareho ka Ma'am
Ay, di
Rose.
si Ma'am Rose de Guzman ang expert. Tapos dalawa
Si
from
Ma'am Donna sa guidance.
Donna Diploma Santa. Tapos
Balit tatlo po, Dok.
Tatlo, oo. Ma'am Rose de Guzman yung isa. Saka, sino pa po ang isa?
Sorry po, Donna.
Ano nga?
Ma'am Donna Gift. Ramasan.
Donna Gift Roma Santa.
Gift as in regalo.
Regalo.
Ah,
One word lang po ba yun?
Hindi.
At two words pala. Donna Gift Roma Santa. At saka, sino po masasuggest nyo?
Tsaka si Ma'am Ansiro. Training.
And zero.
Rose.
Rose Ann
Rose
Ansiro.
Rose and Zero. Okay. And then no longer po, may Smith faculty pa rin po? Or,
Hindi na, sila na yung
Okay.
mag-validate na yun. Pag papakita nyo sa akin kung validated na nila. Parang, pero mag-approve pa rin si ma'am saka si Doc Yabe dun sa instrument niya.
Sabi po.
Basta upload niya lang. But before,
Approve nila before.
Mas ano nila to eh. Psychology. Yes po.
para at least medyo konti na
Ano,
lang.
pwede po kayo makuha yung messenger po. Ay. Wala po.
Dinner ko na study.
So basically, parang bumalik lang hindi sa nakarang study. Social and physical.
Hindi ah.
Hindi.
More elaborated, more specified.
In the way you construct,
Yes po.
napaka-importante yung
Flow.
pagka-state. Hindi, yung pagka-state.
Ay, yung may parang may ano.